Good day everyone, my name is Pauline Bernardo from section IT2B, and for today's video, I will be teaching you how to do subnetting of a Class B network. Without further ado, let's start subnetting. So we have our given here, 172.16.0.0/16. That's a Class B network. So, ngayon, /16, ang ating CIDR, nandito ang ating i-solve kasi pag binilang 816. Nag-stop dyan. So, ito yung hahanapan natin. Okay, so we have 4 departments. We have IT, HR, Sales, Admin with different number of hosts na kailangan. Lahat naman yan is madadaanan natin. So, bear with me. So, since kasi, ang kailangan lang natin is 500 hosts, hanggang dito lang siya. Kaya, for the net ID, ito lang ang gagawin. Lagay yung given. Ngayon, yung third and fourth octet is i-convert nyo into binary. So, since 0 lang ito, and 0 lang din ito, 0 lang lahat yan. Ngayon, ang ating sagot is 172.16.0.0. That's our net ID for the IT department. Next, we have broadcast address. Ano pa din? Yung given, convert niya yung third and fourth octet into binary. Ngayon, papansin nyo, yung sumunod, itong digits after the space is naging 1 lahat. Ito yung tinatawag nating host per portion na tinatawag. And then, ito yung ating network portion. Now, for the range address, ang gagawin lang natin is yung net ID, magpa-plus 1 tayo. So, net ID plus 1 to broadcast address. Broadcast address minus 1. So, yan. 172.16.0.0 plus 1 to 172.16.1.255 minus 1. So, the answer would be 17.2.16.01 to 17.2.16.1.254. Ito yung ating host portion. Ito yung ating network portion. For subnet mask, lahat, as in lahat ng network portion is magiging 1 and lahat ng host portion is magiging 0. So, for the HR department, we have 120 hosts. Kaya ang CIDR ko for this is 25. For net ID, ang kunin natin is yung broadcast address ng nauna nating department. Pag nakuha nyo ngayon, mag-a-add kayo ng 1. Kaso, since 255 na to, yan na yung maximum. Tapos mag-a-add tayo ng isa. Ang mangyayari yan, magiging 2 ito, magiging 0 ito. So, broadcast address, ito na yung net ID natin for the HR. Ngayon, doon ulit, 25th bit, itong ating network portion sa 4th octet is 0 lang. And then the rest, magiging 1. Range address, ganun pa din, net ID ng same department, plus 1, then broadcast address ng same department, minus 1. So the answer would be this. For subnet mask, again, lahat ng ating network portion, magiging 1, and then lahat ng host portion is magiging 0. Okay, for our third department, sales, na kailangan ng 60 hosts, ito ang ating CIDR, 25, 26. Because this is 128, this is 64. For the net ID, again, ang kukunin muna natin is yung broadcast address ng naunang department bago ito, and then mag-a-add tayo ng 1. So the broadcast address is 2.127 plus 1, magiging 128. And sa broadcast address, kunin niyo yung net ID ng department na yun, again, and then convert niyo yung last octet, kasi dun yung hinahanap natin. Tama. Except this is 64, na magiging sagot is 191. At kayo ng 1 doon, 2 broadcast address minus 1. So the answer would be 2.129 and 2.190. Subnet mask, again, lahat ng iyong network portion is magiging 1. Lahat ng left side mo is 1. Lahat ng right side or host portion is 0. So the answer would be 192. Lastly, for the admin, so for the admin, 30 hosts na lang yung kailangan natin. So our CIDR would be 27. Net ID, kunin nyo yung broadcast address ng sales, which is 72.16.191 plus 1, nagiging 0.92. Broadcast address, lahat ng host portion is 1, as is lang itong natira. And then, ang sagot nyo, 2.223. Range address, net ID plus 1 to broadcast address minus 1, nagiging 17.2.16.2.93 to 172.16.2.222. Then lastly, the subnet mask, lahat ulit ng network portion, again and again, is 1, whose portion is 0, and then the answer would be 255.255.255.224. I would like to give a huge thanks to my instructor/trainer, Mr. Oliver Sanchez, for giving me knowledge about this topic, and also to my school, Computer Science Institute Incorporated. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to learn about subnetting. And anyway, yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.